Perform the indicated operations and, if possible, simplify. Here we have negative 1/2 times negative 4/9. We're going to be multiplying, and we're going to be multiplying two negative numbers. So the product will be a positive number. When we multiply fractions, we multiply numerators, and we multiply denominators. Now I could carry out this multiplication, but I'm going to be able to simplify it, and it'll be easier if I just factor at this point. I can factor 4 as 2 times 2. In the denominator, I could factor the 9, that's 3 times 3. If I wanted to, I can go ahead and do that. And then I see that I have a common factor of 2 in the numerator and denominator. That forms a factor of 1 and can be canceled. In the numerator, I now have 1 times 2, and in the denominator, 3 times 3. So negative 1/2 times negative 4/9 equals 2/9.